Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
One of my favorite sights is a meadow or lawn filled with dandelion orbs in the springtime. As I was saying before, it astounds me that people have been so effectively brainwashed to hate this joyful and beautiful plant. Spend a sunny morning picking bright dandelion flowers and you'll undoubtedly experience one of their side effects. They bring joy and laughter to those who spend time with them. This simple gift is perhaps the most profound that dandelion has to offer. What is more precious than joy? If that's not enough, then wait a while. And as the yellow blooms turn to seed heads, dandelions offer us another gift: free wishes. Dandelion flowers are both food and medicine. As a food, they have a sweet, bland taste and are high in nutrients like lutein and beta-carotene, both known for their ability to support eye health. In addition to vitamins and minerals, dandelion flowers are high in flavonoids. One study looked at dandelion leaf and flower extracts and determined that the flowers have especially high flavonoid content. The study concluded they may be beneficial for diseases associated with oxidative stress, such as cancer, type 2 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and cardiovascular diseases. Dandelion flowers are also important for human survival. Those early spring blooms are an important food source for the honeybee, which is responsible for pollinating many of our fruits and vegetables.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.